One of the issues I would love to address is the lack of sustainability practices in the fashion industry, particularly the fast fashion sector, and has major implications for environmental degradation, social injustice, and economic inequality. Fast fashion firms frequently prioritize profit margins over morality and sustainable principles, which results in abusive working conditions, massive carbon emissions, and a large amount of textile waste. For example, 2/3 of apparel shoppers say that limiting impact on climate change is now more important to them before COVID-19. It is expedient that marketing managers in the fashion industry be aware of the following to address this issue. Fast fashion's environmental impact includes high water usage, chemical pollution, and carbon emissions from transportation. Managers must promote sustainable materials, manufacturing processes, and supply chain transparency. These brands often rely on cheap labor, leading to poor working conditions and limited labor rights. Managers should advocate for fair labor practices. Marketing strategies encourage excessive consumption, promoting disposability. Managers should prioritize responsible consumption and support clothing reuse, recycling, and upcycling. Therefore, several actions need to be taken for marketing managers to address these issues. The climate impact of the fashion industry starts with fiber production, but already existing technologies, if implemented correctly, can significantly diminish greenhouse emissions while creating or growing fibers. Encourage sustainability. Sustainability should be integrated into the marketing initiatives. They need to highlight efforts to reduce environmental effects, such as utilizing eco-friendly materials, adopting sustainable manufacturing techniques, and supporting initiatives for waste reduction and recycling program. Educate consumers. There's a need to raise consumer awareness of fast fashion's environmental and social implications through educational campaigns and programs. Give advice on sustainable alternatives such as ethical fashion brands, clothing rental services, and second-hand shopping stores. Collaborate for change. The most crucial step is working together to achieve change. Advocating for policy changes and industry-wide standards for sustainability and ethical practices can be achieved through collaboration with NGOs, industry organizations, and government agencies. Collaborate with suppliers to increase accountability and transparency across the supply chain. Tailoring this message to the fashion industry, marketing managers can use social media platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn to share useful content, engage with consumers, and promote sustainable fashion projects. We can promote good positive change and move the industry in the direction of a more sustainable and ethical future by raising awareness and interacting with consumers.